This meeting is being recorded and summarized.
Okay. Go live and what's up, YouTube? Alright. I already marked up gold futures here on my own, but we are going to do forex together. Alright. So we're gonna start from the daily and then we'll go to the weekly. Or we start from the weekly, then we'll go to the daily, doesn't matter. I'm gonna start from the daily here, and we got our previous daily candle high here. And as we go, I'm going to do some explanation here. So that's our previous daily high. And looking at this, we kind of have a bearish momentum going on here. And how you will know on the daily is, number one, we have this minor support here that was taken out. We closed below it. That's number one. And then number two, we had this aggressive after we created this resistance, and if you look at the previous resistance as well, we barely closed above it here on the daily time frame. All right, you can see that's number two. Number three is the fact that this bearish candle broke below the previous candle. Right, we closed below the previous candle, and then once this candle closed, we created a minor resistance here. Right, resistance formed, and guess what? Resistance broke the support that we formed. Not only did we break it, we closed below it, and now we have another bearish candle closure. So I am definitely seeing an overall bullish structure. However, we are looking at a possible bearish momentum here on the daily time frame. Okay, now we can move on. Okay, so that's our previous daily candle high, and here we got our previous daily candle low. Alright, now let's take a look at a weekly. On the weekly, we got a resistance formed, right? Previous weekly candle, which was pretty much this past week, we have a candle closing below it, so there's a chance we could get another bearish candle. Now this week might not close bearish, but there is a chance that we will have a bearish candle closure this week. Okay, so we only for when it comes to our entries, we only pretty much need to look at the daily and all the way down. The weekly though pretty much gives us, just pretty much lets us gives us a weekly bias. Okay, I'll put it that way. And as of right now, yeah, we're still bullish, but if you look at the candles to the left plus where the previous weekly resistance is, it's right here. I like to use the wicks, not the body. So we got this previous weekly resistance here, so there is a chance that we could come down. So from where we, let's say from this candle, another 650 pips. Okay, we could come down another 650 pips before we continue bullish here on the weekly time frame, or we could come all the way back down to this weekly demand here. Okay, so on the weekly as well, I have a short-term sell bias. All right, so we have we're going to use this previous weekly candle here. It's going to be the previous weekly candle low, and of course we use this right here as our previous weekly candle high. All right. Now, what we need to now look for on the other time frames is the supply zones and demand zones, depending on what we're looking at. Since I am anticipating sales, I'm going to mark up this 4-hour supply here, because even here on the 4-hour we are not breaking highs, we are breaking lows. So we got a 4-hour supply right here. As you can see, this low here was taken out. This right here, we bounced off of it, which is fine. Alright, there's nothing wrong with that. We bounced off of it. Price has to pull back anyways, because I see this coming all the way back down. Okay. Right now, until we start breaking highs or we come down lower, I will not be looking for buys. Right, so on the 1-hour time frame, we've already retested the 1-hour supply. I mean the 4-hour supply. What do we have here on the 1-hour time frame? Nothing there. 30 minutes. 30 minutes, we get this supply here. $15. Okay, I'm going to combine the 30 and the 15 together here. Okay, and we got our Asian low here. Asian low. And this right here, let me see, that's our Asian high. So as you can see, we're between a range right now. Okay, we're in between a range. Oh, let me turn this music down a little bit. Alright, so what am I looking to see here on gold? Now this is the forex chart here. We have a high created here, we created a lower high, just for you to see the bearish momentum. Then we had this minor breakup structure right there. We've created a support, went up, came down, went up, came down. So we're pretty much rejecting the low that we created. So we could get a pullback here to this minor resistance, and then we drop. However, that is not what I am looking for. I'm looking for us to get back up there to potentially the 30-minute supply or the 4-hour supply again, and then that is where I'll be looking at to take my sales. I don't want to take no sales in between this range. I want us to get back as close as we can to this previous lower high that we created, or we will test the 4-hour supply again, then I'll look to take sales. Okay, so I am short-term buyers on gold. What's going on YouTube? What you talking about, the webinar, Edwin? Yeah, 4 p.m. my time, but I am considering switching it to Friday because majority of you, don't attend the webinar. I'm considering moving it to Friday, like after we finish New York session. We start at like 12 p.m. my time.
That would be amazing if we just do like a when we finish London, or if New York, or if New York's not doing anything, just do like a recap of the week, or go through a session. That'd be great.
Yeah, I figured that Friday would be better after New York.
Thank you, man. That'd be great.
Me too, man. I'm terrible at Saturday nights. Yeah, I'd love it. You know, I've been bad. I like a glass of wine, and that's when I have it on a Saturday night as well. So
yeah, Dottie's not making 10 p.m. on a Saturday
no
night.
way. I just can't. Seriously, honestly.
Yeah.
It's hard. It is hard. It has been hard.
I've been so focused on freaking practicing this over the weekend. You should be able to. You should be able to tell. Like, when have you guys ever seen me do anything on a weekly time frame?
I'm here for it. Here for it. Morning, everyone. Good morning, YouTube.
Yeah. Good morning. Good
London
morning.
sesh.
Won't I consider the possible bullish momentum they may win? I'm surprised you're asking me that now after everything I just said, from the weekly to the daily and the 4-hour. I'm not considering buys at all until we come down lower. Man, I don't even want to talk about that Trump and Zelensky meeting.
Yeah, that was bad, huh? It was so uncomfortable to watch.
He held himself so well, Zelensky.
Oh, it was like troublemakers, wasn't it? It's like bullies in a playground.
JP Vance, these little monks.
Yep, Vance started it all.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Sorry, and then that guy that said to him, "Why don't you wear a suit?" I thought, God, you idiot! Why don't you wear a suit? That was already cleared up at the beginning of the war, wasn't it? It was already spoken about.
Hey, Caspar, how you doing? That's good, Eddie. Yes, London session.
We are back.
Morning, Bliss.
Is Wall here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, he's just been quiet.
He's ticking.
He's in the zone.
Yeah.
I already made my money.
There you go. You see?
Good.
What happened with Friday? NY?
Friday, NY, man, we wanted to take buys, but we waited for the retest forever, which it finally did, which it just waited for this, and then just went up. It had to.
That's super late.
Yeah, it had to go freaking to 220 ticks before he gave a pullback. I didn't want to take it right away simply because, we just, the bearish momentum was just too strong, just freaking breaking lows. But because we had a 4-hour demand here, which I talked about that session, but if we hold there, I was expecting it to pull back, but shit, didn't do it until late. You might see the setup as then we missed the trade. Don't look at it like that at all. Because once it created this freaking resistance, it could have just kept dropping and break these lows. So it's always good to be safe, especially if we're talking about taking a pullback trade on the lower time frame.
Yeah, and it's easy to manage your risk that way. You obviously put against that load that just made, and it's like, well,
yep.
And then obviously, market should make a new high, and it did.
Yep.
Oh man, crypto absolutely went ballistic.
Oh, he did.
Yeah, Trump tweeted some shit and fucking crypto
Yeah.
went fucking moon boy.
To the top, huh?
I was in
Fucking,
the
I
sell on
think like,
BTC as well. Whacked.
yeah, Bitcoin went from like 85,000 to 95,000.
Damn.
Yeah.
Damn, you went up a lot.
Yeah.
After I got stopped out, I jumped on the buy quickly and just got a little bit back, so that was nice as well.
Oh, okay.
But that's the thing, you get a lot of people thinking that it was going to fly to 120k after Trump's tweet.
I have noticed though that stuff like what happened the other day, like any mention of war isn't impacting gold as much as it did sort of last year. Like all you had to do was mention Iran or Palestine, and gold would fucking go crazy.
Yeah.
But now it's like another war, another invasion. Meh. Meh.
Yeah.
What next? Oh, Trump. Meh.
If we do not go back up to this supply, we're just gonna wait for. We're just gonna wait until we break Asian low. Here's a 1 hour supply here, which is very rejected though. Hey, Khalid. This guy probably didn't know I'm live. Oh, Matic saying something.
Yeah, he
We
bought
don't sleep
Bitcoin.
over here, guys. We're in a friggin' bull market, bro.
Damn, look at that candle. Shit. And that was the 15 minute?
Yeah,
We
it's
don't
like
sleep
Trump's
Damn.
over
like,
here, guys.
let's go.
We're in a friggin' bull market, bro.
Shit. Man, that's some mean candle. Man.
Oh, and Trump's a dirty bastard. He's insider trading for sure on crypto. Some dude like went bought 800 Bitcoin and 5,500 Ethereum like just a couple hours before he tweeted that shit.
Damn. They said he also said he's trying to give all taxpayers $5,000 from Dogecoin's profit or some shit.
I don't know, it's from the Doge, like they call it Doge, the Elon Musk investigating into the bullshit spendings of the US government.
Mm-hmm.
So all the shit, the money that they save from the, stopping the spending leak, they're gonna give that money to the Americans, apparently. Maybe.
Yep. They said 20% to the taxpayers, 20% for them, and I can't remember what they said about this 60%. I don't know. Hmm. I'll only consider that supply. This supply just might if we close below here. YouTube is quiet today. Okay, we got a late New York news today. Good morning, Light.
I suppose another nice thing about getting YouTube back open on London, you don't miss as many trades because of news.
He's desperate. He's desperate. Anything to pump up London session.
It's just the best place to be. I don't understand. In New York, everyone hates on Wall.
Surprisingly, not many. It was mostly London.
Oh, was it? Oh no.
Yeah.
No, I just noticed Gideon's down to one viewer now and that's Edwin.
Are you serious?
No, they're all back here. I'm kidding. It's all love. It's all love.
Oh, Gideon is alive.
I'm just playing.
He's got 4 viewers. I'm sure Edwin is one.
He's created
Yes.
3 other accounts.
Oh.
I bought this double bottom on tick chart.
You mean
Okay.
it's triple bottom?
It's a double bottom on tick chart and 100 contracts buyers. 100 lots. But I'm waiting for my 60 pips full.
Hey, guys. He tells us this after he's like, significantly in profit. What? Can we trust this?
I had a buy limit. Now
Beautiful.
I saw this.
Beautiful. I trust you, Lucian. Beautiful.
Damn, you put a buy limit down there?
Buy stop.
Oh, so when it like kind of came back up a little?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm still testing to see how it works better. Buy the dip, waiting for the break on the tick.
Ah, okay. I was like, Jesus Christ, you got big balls. Just put a fucking order down there.
They see your order, they just, okay, Let's bring it down more.
They see you at 0.5 lots.
let's take this guy out. Let's activate him and take him out. You too, you may buy. Huh?
Your hair's getting long, man. Let's good.
Yeah, it is getting long. I need to retwist it again. It will even be longer once I do that.
Same here. I got the same issue. It grows so long, doesn't it? So quickly.
Yeah.
Amazing.
It took 3 years for mine to get to this level.
Yeah, mine's similar. I was starting my locks. When was it? The year before COVID, 2019. I started.
Oh,
It
damn.
was so long. Yeah. Oh, it was a good thing. I started then as well. I used to plat it a lot, but then I just had unlocks. But yeah. Saved a lot
Oh,
of money.
wait. No, I think mine is about to be 4 years because I started in 2021, April 2021. Yeah, it's about to be 4.
Yeah, that's 4 years. Yeah. I'm just fly.
Wish any ideas and buys with you.
Nice. Come on, Edwin.
Not
A little
Edwin.
bit. Oh, who?
Eddie on YouTube.
It's okay,
I thought
Edwin.
Edwin.
It's okay, Edwin. The praise came quick and left quick too.
Poor Edwin, man.
Nice, Edwin. Oh, never mind.
Oh, what did Edwin find? Oh, okay. Yeah. Man, what a buy though from there. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, look at it go. Nice.
Is that 50 pips already? Very nice. Now, I imagine like Footprint would have shown there's a low, like heavy sellers at the bottom of that last bearish candle, getting trapped.
Yeah, but it's literally like this. This is my setup to see sellers on the bottom of the week and then aggressive buyers and push buy. Always like this. On the top buyers, on the bottom sellers.
Yeah, I think that's the way. I was looking at order flow over the weekend, and every one that I was looking at or seeing this, they just wait for the heavy buyers at the top or heavy sellers at the bottom, and that means they're going to get trapped. Obviously, you need other confluences, but it was quite interesting.
Yeah.
Hey Wesley, how you doing?
What's that thing on the bottom of your screen, Lucian?
It's the
Delta.
yeah, delta and the maximum volume. But when you zoom a little bit in, you see the numbers also.
This one down here?
Yes, yes. But when you zoom a little bit in, you will see the numbers. But you see on the top, heavy buying, and then boom, the price drop. The bottom you see red, 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 and then green. Price go up. Every upper move it's ending with buyings. You see. And what I noticed, if you throw your supply and demand like where the big orders are, it's like it's reacting very nice. Like a zone, not just like a line. And wait there to see selling for the buyers and buyers for you to sell.
I'm assuming like the box at the bottom, more red equals more sell, more like.
Yes.
So it's like pale red is not really?
Yeah, it's gradient, yes.
Okay. That's cool.
Yeah, it's easier to spot the colors. If you make your footprint color code, just look on the colors, it's easier to focus than look at the numbers.
Yeah. I like the color coding thing. It's like easy to identify. Otherwise, it's just like, oh yeah, you got more sellers here, but then this candle has more sellers, but barely, and this one has a lot more. So it's like color coding, you just instantly know. Man, Killer Beat's rarely around nowadays. Or he's always late, if he is around.
Yeah, maybe he's busy.
It's in GJ maybe.
Yeah, he's with another group now, the GJ group.
Killing the GJ.
GU scalpers.
Oh, Lucian, the institutional trader, he said he bought the bottom of the range as well.
Nice.
He said it a little bit late, maybe like 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe like 20 minutes late, but you know, it's good to know that you got institutional buying with you. Should see all-time highs now.
Yeah.
Oh, it says it says 28.71. It's probably talking
60.
about forex.
60 pips.
Pretty much the supply area.
60 pips hit, man. Man, holding full. I try to hold full with 1 to 3 restore your every trade.
I'm not expecting this resistance to hold.
Man, you said 1 to 3 and you need more than 60 pips?
Yeah, because I start every time with 20 pips and then I move the stops. If you drop lowers, this is the maximum that I risk, 20 pips, and 60 pips is 1 to 3.
Oh no, I mean, what was your stop loss for this?
It doesn't matter. I need 60 pips. It was 20 pips, maximum 20 pips.
What's the stop
maximum
loss?
20 pips. No.
I don't know how I feel about Lucian's trade anymore. It's like, what's the stop loss? Doesn't matter.
And it was initially was 20 pips, like it's the maximum amount, 20 pips. Was like when I entry, wait a minute, 21 pips was the stop loss.
So with this move, if any of these supply holds above, I'm gonna need to see a support form because we didn't break any low here. Even though we broke this minor low on the other time frames, I like to see a support up here before I take this sell. And of course, you now have two minor BOS, which is on the sell side and on the buy side. Oh, and if this 1 hour resistance holds for whatever reason, I'm going to look for buys. And the reason behind that is because if you look at this resistance, we've pretty much only rejected once, or if you want to see this, you can say twice. However, at the bottom, we've rejected 3 times. So, which means you got more buyers stepping in here than you got sellers stepping in. So, if this rejects, I'd rather wait for buyers to see if the buyers are gonna step in again, and then we could fall from up here. Short-term buyers could be there. Yeah, could be. I mean, I wouldn't say short-term buys. I would say long-term buys because the overall structure on the high time frame is still bullish. And on the higher time frame, we starting to have this bearish momentum. Hopefully we get an earlier. We get an early and a quick trade today, not like freaking Friday. Our Friday sales took forever.
Oh, London volume. London's awake.
Yeah, they're awake.
Best session. Best session.
Ah.
What happened?
Oh, I took out my runner. I bought the breakout.
You bought the breakout. That's new.
And I look for sales above 883.
Yeah, that was my final TP. But
Like that,
yeah.
your target, yeah.
Yeah, I also wanted to get back to the 4-hour supply. Because that's really where the sellers came in.
Oh, Lucian, how's the fees and everything with what's the company called again? I forgot.
AMP futures.
AMP. Yeah. Okay. How's their fees and everything?
And I still don't know. I still testing, and I don't know where to look for fees and all of this.
Okay.
Yeah, I will wait 2 weeks more testing this, and then I will trading with real money, but with small risk.
Okay.
But for now I like it, and I have a Minion friend that's trade on AMP, and he said it's very serious and very good company.
Okay, nice.
No problem with withdrawal and for the redraw and put money on AMP for our country is like $30 every, doesn't matter the amount. It's like fixed fees.
No idea. I think Lucian is out. You're out, right?
Yeah, I was hit 60 pips earlier. Because I have entry, I don't know on the time base, but from the low, 20 pips higher was my entry. Or the double bottom on futures. And I put buy stops.
Yeah, I saw it after, like much later because I wasn't really paying attention. But when you mentioned it, yeah, I saw it.
Yeah, I will not take this because it didn't hit my demand, but I saw these 100 lots buyers a little bit above, and I thought, man, this will have the move.
Fair enough.
Without this big buyer, I will not do this because didn't hit the demand. On pictures on the left, on 868, 8667, it's a demand there, the left, but they didn't hit it. The 15 on futures, the 15-minute event, the middle of the 15.
15?
Yeah, like the 15 demand on the left, you see this. Yeah, the 5.
I mean,
not the 5.
I wouldn't, on futures, I wouldn't even use this as a demand.
Yeah, but on the middle of this candle, you have like nice orders.
Because of the bottom wick, it's not a clean demand.
Yeah, I did put a line at 68.0, but I wouldn't expect much of a hold by the buyers from there because that's the market open. And I think it's like kind of Trump induced, so I don't really think it's solid level.
Yeah, it's not solid, but without this 100 lot buys, I didn't buy this.
Yeah, obviously with the 100
confirmation. Yeah,
let's go.
If it was clean, I would have been looking for buys, or if it wasn't a market open candle, so that's why I didn't even mark a demand there at all. And my internet is tripping.
Okay. She got 60 pips. I got 17. Let's go.
And on New York, I want to use maximum 30 pips stop loss and 90 pips TP.
Yeah, it's like put the bracket order out there for fixed stop loss, then adjust it from there because sometimes it moves too fast.
Yeah, and you have no time to put. Yeah. And I use like you tick to wait the break and put B and then. I don't like to close, especially on futures in the beginning, man. You want to close, you open another trade, you want to close the stop loss. It's another 2 trades on the chart. It's like in the beginning, it's difficult.
I am pretty sure I'm just gonna move like a huge chunk of money to maybe like AMP futures or something like that. There's just no reason not to do it.
Yeah. I'm still testing this, what I have, these 28 days, and then I will put my money and see how, with micro, to see how it goes.
All right, sounds good.
And use the journal and
Does HAMP Futures has a journal like trade of it?
On the
Like not should I say journal? Not really a journal. It's like I guess it is a journal. Well, it just lets you know. It's like in a calendar form, lets you know the days you made money, the days you
no,
lost.
no, it's
It doesn't have that.
very rudimental. The how it's called, the where you see your trades, your account.
So it's gonna be based off of the platform you want to choose as well. Because let's say you choose Quant Tower, right? So you can go into Quant Tower, and I believe I saw, before that there's like
Yeah,
a P&L history graph in the Quant Tower, but I don't know where it is.
I think you have on Quant Tower, you have like historical. I saw that you have like all your trades, your P&L, wins,
Yeah,
losses. Yeah, you have it.
and it looks like a graph. Looks like a chart. But I don't know. One thing that I don't like about Quant Tower is that the settings are fucking deep. There's a lot of settings and it's all over the
Yeah,
place.
yeah. You have a lot of, man. You need 2 weeks to learn the Quant Tower, or 3. And you need to watch a lot of YouTube videos because, man, so deep inside. You need to enter, like, it's like the difference between Linux and Windows in the beginning.
Yes.
Even Ninja Trader, it's easier to use.
Yeah, it is. Man, I wish I was paying attention and bought the bottom with you. That would have been fucking amazing.
Maybe done for the day.
The big buyer was in the bearish candle, the big one that dropped. Dropped. 10 minutes after the London Open was the order coming.
Forex already tapped it. Oh no. Shit, it did.
But on Ninja Trader, I think you need to pay more if you want to use footprint and all of these indicators.
Yeah, I saw that. They want to charge you big money for that shit.
Yeah, that's why it's better to use Trade of 8 or Quant Tower.
Yeah.
But AMP, they don't have a Trade of 8.
Yeah.
But it's okay. Quant, it's okay also.
Yeah. Has your account been activated yet, Abe, for AMP?
No. Now they want me to send my social security card and my own funds letter.
Your own what letter?
My own funds letter.
Oh, what is that?
See right there?
Proof of my own funds letter. I've never heard of that. What does that mean?
I've never heard of it either, but what the hell? What just happened there? Oh. My guess is damn. My guess is that it's probably because put in there that I'm self-employed.
Mm-hmm.
No, but I did the same thing with TraderVate, but they didn't ask for my own funds letter. Right now, I'm like, how do I even write that? Like, what do I freaking write?
Yeah, I'm like, that's confusing. The fuck?
But I was not here. What did they ask you?
My own funds letter and my social security card. That one is fine, but is this my own funds letter that they're asking for?
Yeah, for me,
I don't know. I'm like maybe I should just send them my tax return for last year. Maybe that would help.
Maybe because you are an American citizen. For me, just ask what is your fund source and more or less how is the amount. Yeah.
Yeah, I think because
find.
I put in there I'm self-employed. That's why.
Mm.
Yeah.
Then,
Yeah, for me it was also, but then I changed that. Don't care really where you're working, but you can put the last employer of yours.
Man, his last employer is himself.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna use ChatGPT to write me my own funds letter. I'll just freaking convert that shit to PDF and send it to them. That's what I'm gonna do.
The only thing that I like on Footprint is because you can literally catch 1 to 3s with your entry. Like, even with confirmation, you can have 15-20 pip stops.
Yeah, like I bought the breakout. I caught a 1-to-1, more than a 1-to-1, and runner got stopped out for like almost like a 0.75.
Man, you caught it 1-to-1 with it, man. I'm chit-chat is something else.
I even posted it in the Discord. You can see it.
Them chit-chat is something else. And the 5 minutes, it didn't even look like you caught anything.
It's not really just the tick, because I bet he focused on Footprint more.
Yes. So I saw that the pressure was building and they're about to pop it.
Oh,
so like,
this was your entry. Okay. It does look like it gave 1-to-1.
Yeah. And if you don't told you it's a tick chart, you will think it's a 5 or 50 minute chart. Because
Yeah.
It's like
all the 1 minute
is fractal. Yeah. Just the gaps looks not normal.
Yeah.
Hey, good morning, ambitious money.
And you use it the market order? Or you put the
buy like pending order. Buy stop.
Buy stop, yeah. It's better because sometimes with the spike you will enter like late.
Yes.
And it's better to use like pending, yeah. Now but I will try this Nasdaq, but Nasdaq is like, man, a wild beast compared with gold.
Man,
The move is
since
like,
you're on demo, it doesn't matter. But yeah, it's nothing like gold. Like there's been times that I like earlier, like end of last year, I'd market order into NAS, and because you see the way I trade, right? It's like it goes instantly into profit. So I market ordered in, and I'm entering at my TP where it's supposed to be, and I'm just like, oh my dear Lord, my stop loss is now like from 20 pips to 40 pips, and it's like, oh Lord.
man, yeah, it's better to use limit on Nasdaq because I will not trade this. I'm okay with gold. I don't wanna. Nah. I'll blow my account. I'm sure.
Also, I've noticed,
even with micro.
yeah, the money it's even with micro, it's very big.
Yeah.
And I think gold, it respects it's more tame, so it's it's not gonna wick out these levels as much like NAS would.
Yeah, it's more technical.
Yeah.
Gold respect like demand and supply, but NAS, NAS ping pong, up down. You need to be like, man, like a F1 driver. You cannot stream and trade NAS like that.
Yeah, like that New York session last week with you guys, I was like, nah, I can't even talk. When I'm gonna trade NAS today, I'm not even talking. I'm just focused because I can't talk to you guys.
So if we reject up here, I'm definitely gonna need to see a support form before I take sales here in the 5 minute. So looking at freaking forex, you would think, oh yeah, we have supply. Bam, let me snipe these sales.
It looks good, right?
Yeah.
The bearish candles starting to happen, wicks are starting to happen.
Yeah, but it's not. And he didn't touch my level. He didn't touch my tralala. And the buys
Cucumber
are
2000. Damn, Cucumber 2000. No longer
Yeah.
trading the 15.
Gold
Oh.
will come back. Will come back to 2000 after Armageddon. Well, not in our lives. Like after she break 1000 or $700, you didn't see 700, never. 1.5k breakout, never. Now 2k, nah. With these men in command, America.
Hey, never say never, never. Hey, okay. You never know.
I think it will go 4k then to 2k.
It's a 4K.
I bet it'll go. Yeah, I bet it would hit 4K rather than 2K.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. There has to be. Yeah, something crazy has to happen.
Yeah, like I don't know, like rain from sky with gold. The value.
I feel like in a few years, gold value will be so freaking high that a lot of people will wish they had invested in gold, even like right now.
Probably, yes.
But the best thing to trade last year, even better than crypto gold, was the cacao.
The reason why I'm saying that is because we might think, oh, we still have time. For me, I don't think we do, because there will be a time where we're not even going to use currencies anymore. However, gold is always going to be here. Gold is not going to go anywhere. And crypto will be here too. So I want to learn more about crypto.
What Abe meant was fiat might not be here anymore.
Yeah,
Currency
yeah,
will
yeah.
always be here.
I mean, isn't it the same?
No, gold is a currency.
Huh?
Gold is a currency.
But it's not fiat.
Yeah, yeah.
I guess we're saying the same thing, I guess.
Fiat is
when I
USD,
say yeah,
AUD.
that's what I meant. When I say currency, I meant like the pound, the dollar, Canadian dollar, all those.
Yeah, they call that fiat.
Mm. Man,
Yeah,
I don't even call gold currency. I call it asset. Because if you invest in freaking fiat shit, man, the high chance of you going broke is, I don't even want to say 100%. But if you invest in gold, chances of you going broke is very, very low. That's why I call gold personally an asset.
But still, dollar is the best fiat investment. If you want to invest in something, invest in dollar. You still make money.
Don't even. Nope. I'll invest in this right here.
It's better than euro.
Gold and silver.
Yeah. But still, gold is not really investment because gold not produced nothing. It's just money.
I'm gonna get some with this company right here. Aside from me trading gold on futures, I'm using them for gold and silver. I'm gonna do both of them.
What is this? Your investment plan?
I'm about to start one. A friend of mine told me about them.
Is that global or that's just US?
Not just US. It's global.
Okay. Post the link on that in Discord.
Okay.
It's a work with them also?
You work with what? You work with what? Wait, say that demo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have some saving in my demo account.
Demo investment.
Oh man.
Imagine you just going to a shop and buying something and say, do you accept demo?
Man. How about US oil? I used to trade USL, but not anymore.
Yeah, it's not something that you want to invest in. Because it rarely go above 100. The most profitable are the tech giants.
Oh yeah.
But you need now some retracement, man. Like the how it called this Palatino.
Oh, Palantir?
Yeah. Man. We invest in this. Even BlackBerry also is. Yeah, because they have some, I don't know, it's just like cybersecurity. It's are the best in this. A lot of cars will use this.
Man, isn't BlackBerry dead? Aren't they gone?
No, the phone is gone, but the softwares are very good.
No, I
Okay.
think BlackBerry still is just the phone. I feel like they should have, man.
They sell the phone company, and they also only it's like in cybersecurity, bank security. A lot of applications are very good at this.
The phone, Pi, were they able to break into the UK? UK?
Oh, it was huge. BBM, do you remember BBM? It was huge over here, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, only the rich people had like BlackBerry.
It was huge. I was working. I was rich people. Shit. I was working at a barber shop at the time BlackBerry came out. I had BlackBerry Messenger.
Yeah, man.
Poor
God.
people.
It was
always-
so huge and so expensive. Man, if you want to have multiple girlfriends, just get you a BlackBerry. Automatically, they think you got money. Man, I used that when I was younger. I used that format a lot. I'm like, man, you know what? I'm just gonna get me a BlackBerry. I worked my ass off for that BlackBerry. Worked my
But the
ass off.
design was nicer then, but then today
Yep.
it's like just like a
And then
cutting table.
and then when I finally got the BlackBerry, I didn't get the regular one. I got the one that you just slide it up. I can't remember what model that was. It was the top model at the time, man.
Wow, you're a gangster.
Man,
Wow,
I was
balling.
I was going on vacation. I was going from Lagos to Abuja to I wasn't doing anything. I was just going to meet women.
Oh man, I remember BB. What's your BBM pin? Oh man, those are the days.
Back in the days in our country.
They're funny.
Easy access.
Back then,
I didn't even have to spend no money. Just food, drinks, everything was on her. Just because I had a BlackBerry, free. Bad times.
Oh man, good times, good times. Man, if you think about it, like BBM was the first WhatsApp.
Yeah, that's true.
Probably better than
it
WhatsApp
was
at the time. Yeah.
Can I share the link of Kinesis? Okay, I'm gonna put it in the free Discord too.
Make sure you use discount code Abe.
Yeah, that's why wallet's interesting.
Did you check it out?
Oh yeah, I took a look at it. Looks good. Looks interesting.
It's global, right?
Yeah. Geez, I did not check if it was global, but it did seem interesting because there's like saying how, you get like a yield every time someone buys or sells gold. You get a piece of it, the transaction.
It's very interesting. As I'm like, shit, okay, I can trade it and I can use these guys over here.
Yeah.
And I like how it pretty much tells you like, the amount here. And you can buy gram, kilogram, or ounce. Why is it not showing? Is it because the market is not open? It was showing me before. Huh.
Do you consider taking a short, King, when it breaks this support?
I just need a new support to be formed, not when it breaks the support.
Not that one, okay.
Oh, did the 1 hour close yet? Oh, the 1 hour is not closed yet. So the 30 closed above this minor, close above this minor as well. So be better if we can see the support on the 5, except even the 1 hour closed above, but not a strong body closure. Now iPhone is common. I was surprised when I heard that BlackBerry, they couldn't pretty much break into the US market. Oh, this candle just opened. You seen a good sellers onto New York open? Yeah, I'm expecting to see the sales too. The only question here on the lower time frame will be the fact that Asian session, right, was not able to break the major low it created. Okay? The question now would be, pretty much we have a London session high now. It's now going to be up to London. Is London session going to be able to break its own low? I would say yes, but we'll see what happens. So let me get the support here. Well, please take over for me. I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick. I'll be right back.
Yeah. Oh. Man, nothing's happening. YouTube, not much. Zoom, not much.
I do like this sell, but need another rejection. Back down to the area low would be nice on the PSE.
Ah, yes.
But yeah, I don't want to get faked in. Yeah, definitely killed a beat.
Yeah, I would assume NY would do something since there is news as well. Yes. Trading in here is definitely a little dangerous. It was to be expected since that market open just blasted off. Yes, I agree. It's only Monday. Direction will be clearer by tomorrow due to the nonsense of the Trump. Let the market, figure itself out for the stronger directions throughout the week. I will say it's crazy. I had a buy order on BTC at, I think it was like 76,000. I had a buy order, missed it by like 2,000, and then sure shit, fucking moons.
Ouch. Ouch.
Yeah.
Ouch. I hate that.
Bitcoin went all the
Yeah.
way down to the 70s.
Yeah, it was at 78,000.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, I had a buy order just a little lower. I was like, all right, get into this demand area. Let's go. I'll take it. But Trump had other ideas.
Yeah.
You set up a you're gonna trade it on forex or on these crypto exchanges?
Yeah, it was a crypto exchange. I had already loaded up like some pretty substantial amount of money in there, ready to buy the dip, and it rocketed. So I'm like, oh fuck me! Now I'm gonna withdraw the money back out of that fucking account.
Only Edwin trades Bitcoin on forex.
Irritating too, because I'm expecting new all-time highs for Bitcoin sometime this year.
Mm-hmm.
But now that dream's over. I can't chase that shit after it fucking moonshot already.
Hey, you could come back to the demand.
Man, that's a tall order.
Or you can, see if you can get the short-term sale back down for the gap fill.
Yeah, I'm not gonna risk that. Fucking Trump comes out with another tweet.
Someone took a mug Trump off his phone.
What's my bias? Sales, actually. I was waiting for his support, but it's like it doesn't want to give it here. The one we have here did not tap the supply. That's why I'm not using it. Yeah, 30-minute entry. Just give it 30-minute entry. $15. Yeah, also. See, maybe it's gonna pull back after this candle closes. Oh, man. Man. Buy from bottom? Not this bottom here. Oh man, well, wasn't expecting it to come down this much.
Yeah, I think it was it was 15 set up. Well, oh wow. What is this foolishness?
Whatever it does, just we can tap that 15-minute supply.
He's not in there though.
Teddy hasn't closed yet.
You want to? I got you on there. Yeah.
Man, what's wrong with your mic, Kid? You sounded like an AI robot right now.
Like someone's trying to keep his head underwater.
Did it tap it on futures, King?
No. I actually don't want this candle to really want to tap it. I want one more candle to do it. But if this one does, then we will get in. Where's this high right there?
Why is this thing leaking though? It's fucking bugging me, bro.
Oh.
Hmm?
Sorry.
Shit.
Yeah. A little thing, yeah. No, because the thing is, I think it done it on both. I don't know, I think wipe it with this. I know, with this. With that one there.
You've bought 28.66. 28.66. Oh, pretty much this move.
Oh, this is some bullshit slippage.
Slippage? You're in already?
No, I took a sell. I took a sell earlier, and then went to close at 10 pips and it gave me 7. Bullshit. Just gonna have to unload another 10 lot position. Man, King, that trade from Friday, late New York, that would have worked out, man. That would have been nice.
Yeah. Okay. All right. We got a tap on futures. And futures might do it at the 5 just to give forex room to tap the 15. The support form here could also be a support form to freaking break this high, but I don't see that happening. I still see sales here. Good morning, Gideon. Um, 60 pips on futures. I'll do the same with forex. Forex entry on TradingView is going to be 2865.82. So price is going to be different on your broker. Set an alert right there so we'll hear it. Once I hear that sound, I'm getting on Forex.
Is the new hour open? It's like a top week.
Yeah, possibly.
Guys, I'll catch you later. I've got to go somewhere. So by New York, definitely. See you then.
Alright.
I've done what I have to do. See you
Right.
later.
See you later. 6.5. Thank you, Khalid. Cleared another support right there. God is gonna keep us here until New York. And I hope not. Am I streaming New York? No, that's gonna be private. Man, I'm gonna go use the restroom. I'll be right back, guys.
Would you consider moving the entry up, King? Actually, probably not with that candle there. Yeah, beautiful.
SL officially via track 72 to 73. I see you're talking about forex. Good morning, Ronnie. I'm not trading forex today. I am. I have the forex chart here. I'm just watching the futures chart. back. Okay. You tap it yet? Think so. No. If we should close above London session high that we have right now, as of right now, I think I'm just gonna wait for for New York session at that point. Because right now, London session has created a low, minor low, and this is our current major high for London session. So if London session break its own high, we should continue. It should continue to Asian session high. So and then could reject the freaking previous daily candle high. I'm gonna wait till the 1 hour candle closes before we decide if we're gonna keep looking for sales or just end this trend. $15-minute long setup, London Open. Yeah, it's just not a clean demand. That's why I didn't use it, because of this bottom wick. We held there. The reason why I want to wait until the 1 hour candle closes is because the 5-minute might close above this current London high, but the 15 might not. Even if the 15 does, 30 might not, and the 1 hour might not close above it. So just gonna wait for the 1 hour. 5-minute closed above it now. Gonna need strong body candle closure above this London high and the 1 hour time frame. You don't hear me say Mr. Institutional Trader? I don't think I called you Institutional Trader.
Is he talking about war?
Yep, probably.
War's already done for the day. You won't hear him. For me, we either reject here from the high, come down, or if it goes up, I need it to close above all that mess on the left.
If it should break the Asian session high, it should continue to the previous daily candle high.
Yeah. I just can't take buys where it is now. It's horrible.
Mm-mm.
Hey, well, it wasn't me, man, who called you an institutional trader. Anyway. Are you the one that called me Russian? I remember that.
On our candle has 11 minutes to close. Alright, we're back to the 4 hour. So in 9 minutes, the 1 hour will be closing. So not even there on the 4 hour. Mm-mm. 15-minute needs to close below this London session high if we're gonna reject those highs on the 1 hour time frame. I still don't have enough sellers to push it down from here. Good morning, Hamed. Yeah, if we close above here on the 1 hour Q bid, we're gonna go all the way up to that Asia session high. Yeah, it's looking like we are gonna close strongly above it. Yep. Yeah, we should close above. Man, I would just say, shit, at this point, man, just look for buys until the previous daily candle high. Five more minutes for the 1 hour candle to close. We're gonna have to come all the way back down and pretty much close below this London session high for the 1 hour. You sure that resistance looks like you're gonna get stopped? Well, the last 5 minutes will give you hope. As if we close below the London session high again. I mean, right now. Forgot the left side high. Should have waited to see if we swept it. I know, we make mistakes sometimes. The moment we break the minor high, like I said from the beginning of the stream, that I'm gonna need to see a support to take sales. Because at that point you have minor BOS to the downside previously, which is right here. Damn. Which is this. Oh, why is it not? There we go. This minor low, and then to the sell side, and then you have this minor BOS to the upside. So on both sides we break minor lows and minor highs, not major lows or major highs. And in this range, this is your major high and this is your major low. So in order to make sure that The buyers are still not in this. The safest setup we can wait for is to get a support formed. If we break the minor support formed, we should continue to the lows. And this is looking like the 1 hour is going to close above here. How many screens? I got 2 screens. Same size monitor. Yeah, but we need the 1 hour not to close above. Which I don't see happening here. Because if London lows can break the high it created, it should continue. Might pull back, but then it's going to continue back to the upside. That's going to fake sellers in. Yes, Yaslin. So we got 1 more minute for this 5-minute candle to close below this previous London high. Okay, come down some more because we need a strong body candle closure. Okay, not a strong candle closure on the 1 hour because of the body. 30-minute not strong, top wick bigger than the bottom wick, so that's a rejection. 15-minute candle, absolutely rejection. Now on the 5, we got a resistance formed right there, so I am still in the sales business here for now. If we break this high, I'm done.
Still using 60 pips?
Mm-hmm. Now, if the 5 minute closes above this resistance, I'm done with London. Okay, let's use this 15 here. Always. I agree with what you're saying, Khalidu. However, not until we break above this resistance. That's my opinion. Because the way this 1 hour candle closed on futures, I do not like it. This right here is not a strong candle closure. Especially when you have, in this case, the top wick longer than the bottom wick. Okay, but you still need to wait for confirmation, which is pretty much what we're doing here. If you take a look at this 1 hour bearish candle here, you can see the top wick is longer than the bottom wick. And you can also see that this support that was formed here at 28.79, right? 28.79, the body closed above it. Yes, that's true. However, the body is not really strong enough. But what makes this a very clean BOS is because you have a top wick that's longer than the bottom wick. So you get that rejection right there at the top. I like closures like this. Yeah, I think we're gonna continue up here. Yep, this should continue up. We'll have this chance to fall from there. Alright, YouTube, I appreciate you all. If you want to trade New York session with us, that link is in the description, which is pretty much the mentorship link. Aside from that, God bless you all. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Hopefully we catch a trade tomorrow. Alright guys, God bless you all. Peace. I'm out. I'm gonna go rest for New York. Alright guys, I'm gonna see you guys down in New York.
Thanks, Dave.